I'm finally switching it up. If you guys watch me, you know I only use like a brow pomade and like the same one from Anastasia, but I'm actually gonna try a pencil today. This is the IT Cosmetics Brow Powder Micro Universal Defining Eyebrow Pencil. I have this in the color Taupe. You get the big size. They have two sizes. They actually have a mini just in one color, which that would be, what color is the mini? See what color is the mini? I'll place it here. If not, I'm sorry, but I will leave the mini and the full size listed in the description if you want to check it out. Okay, so the mini would be $15, and then they have 4 different colors in the full size, and that retails for $25. So all of them start with the name Universal. So it's Universal Taupe, Universal Brunette, Universal Auburn, Universal Blonde. Usually in my pomade I use the color blonde, but we'll see how well this Universal Taupe looks like. Packaging, look how beautiful those brows look. Like with a pencil, maybe you have to be more precise. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I'm just scared to use a pencil. But what I love about this is that it's 2 sides to this. So one, you get a spoolie. I'm so happy about that. I mentioned it in my videos, like I've been wanting a spoolie so bad, because I think when I do my brows, they look really like rough, you know? Like it may look good like here on camera, but then when I go out and I look at myself, they look really rough. So I think a spoolie would really help to, like, you know, spread the product better. That's just me. Here we go. The pencil is really thin. Really thin. I'm scared I'm gonna break it. I like the shape of it. I hope you can see the shape. Let me see if I can twist it up. Just be very careful. Let's see if I can show you. If I go like this. This is gonna be really interesting. I think I may make this color work. I don't know how taupe is gonna look, but I will swatch it for you. So this says that it's waterproof and long wearing. This is my Anastasia pomade. This is a best-selling waterproof eyebrow pencil designed to blend with any color and define every shape. Featuring nourishing waterproof formula infused with antioxidants, biotin, and green tea. Well, of course, I'm here like surprised, but it's IT Cosmetics. They're like, they love to put skincare into their makeup, which is why I love them. Okay, this brow pencil transforms all hair colors based on how much pressure you apply, creating defined, natural looking eyebrows. Okay, so we have to be careful with the pressure. I'll keep that in mind. Today's my filming day, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos. I have many products to review for you guys. So quick swatch so you see what the color looks like. Trying to be very gentle here. Again, this is in taupe. If I didn't have these brows like that, like microbladed, it would be very hard for me, seriously, to like try to draw a shape. But if you're good at that, like, you're so lucky. Start like going like this. I'm just trying to like get more color on my brows. So I'm just going like sideways here. Ooh, see that? I messed up there a little. Okay, so this is good like to fill them in, and also since it's so fine, like if you need to draw out your lines. I haven't colored in my brows with anything for a while because they just healed from my touch-up. It's been like 2 weeks, so it should be okay for me to be putting makeup on them. Just want to see. I can't wait to use the spoolie. I almost forgot it was there. There's so many different pencils. Oh my god, I was about to buy one. I don't know if I'm gonna buy one. I forgot what brand it is. I think the Gwen Stefani brand just came out with one. I don't know why. I feel like I want to try that. There's also one from Benefit. If you guys have a favorite pencil, let me know. I would prefer to have a spoolie, but if you're thinking about getting this, I just want to show you here. So I think it looks nice. The color looks nice. Looks a bit dark, but again, I am like going over it a lot. I guess it's because what I'm used to. Take my spoolie and just like brush it in. I'm just pushing the product like up, I guess, here, and then softly just brushing it. It's gonna quickly do this brow. See, this one I haven't gone over it that much and it looks a bit lighter, so you have total control. Hopefully I get faster at this. I am like doing it a bit like kind of delicate because I feel again like my brows are not totally healed. I think the blonde would be a bit lighter, but pretty impressed. I'm definitely gonna keep using this. This is what it looks like. Super easy, like to put in your purse. It's not heavy at all. Don't forget to leave me your comments below. Let me know if you have a favorite brow pencil. I'll gladly give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.